Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, amma ba'du. Hello everyone, welcome back to IDN Podcast with me, Raihan Akbar, as today's host for the podcast. And today we have two special guests, my friends from 10 DKV class. You can introduce yourself first, starting from you.
Okay. My name is Raihan Rizky Alganyu and I'm from Bekasi and I'm 10 DKV.
And I'm Tiara Dermawan. I'm from Cibubur. I'm 10 DKV.
Okay, so today we have two special guests. It is Raihan from 10 DKV class and he's from Bekasi, and my other friend Tio from Cibubur and he's also a 10 DKV student. Okay, so for today's podcast we're going to bring in a topic that is relying on what we are studying in IDN, and things that we are studying is technology. And so for today's topic, which is technology, we are going to bring you three things. We're going to talk about technologies like laptop, handphones, and then at the last we are going to talk a bit about artificial intelligence or AI. Okay, so let's just start the topic first about laptop. So actually about laptop, all students in IDN use laptop to study. And now we are going to ask our guests what laptops do they use for study. Starting from Raihan, what is the laptop you use to study in IDN?
Okay. I'm using a MacBook for study at IDN, and the MacBook is the type is MacBook Air in 2020. And then in IDN we use a laptop is for studying IT. It's different like another school, like another school is study about dinas or like IPA band or something else like that. What we use is a book, but in IDN we use a laptop for making like application, website, and others.
Okay, so why do you choose to use MacBook for studying?
Well, it depends of our major. So my major is like DKP student. So DKP is more like a design for making a poster on UI UX and another. So I use MacBook because it's really easy to use and really like slim and really good for design. And then it's different like another major is different like in TKG is use laptop is Windows because they are can't using a MacBook because they are in networking, and the RPL is depends what you want to use. You can use a Windows and a MacBook, same like DKV, but DKV most of them is using a MacBook because it's more responsive than another Windows.
So because you are in a DKV major, so you choose to MacBook because MacBook is like better for designing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good answer from our guest. Now we're going to ask our second guest star, which is Tio. So Tio, what laptop do you use for podcast for studying in IDN? Yeah.
I'm using laptop same with Rehan.
Yeah.
MacBook, but type is MacBook Pro 2018.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Why do you buy it?
Why do you choose to use MacBook Pro for studying? Or maybe same like Rehan because you are a designer student, so you choose MacBook.
Yes,
You like MacBook or Windows better?
MacBook.
Why?
Because MacBook easy to
To operate, to use, easy
Yeah,
to use.
operate, to
Oh,
use. To
Mix it.
bingung.
Continue, mix.
How to
Yeah.
say di bahasa Indonesia? Dicampur aja.
How to say?
Mix.
Yeah.
How to say what in bahasa?
Lancar.
Di bahasa juga bingung deh.
Have you used laptop before you study in IDN? Do you use laptop to study?
No, last study I'm study Tafis.
Oh, masya Allah ya, study Tafis. So Tafis cannot use laptop.
No,
Oh,
because
cannot.
we hafalan,
Yeah.
hafal,
Memorizing.
memorizing Quran every day.
So you cannot memorizing Quran using laptop ya?
No,
Even
no.
phone ya, even.
Phone cannot also. Okay, very good answer from our two guesses. Now we move on to our next topic, which is phone. Do we use phone to study in IDN?
Well, some cases we use phone, like now we record our podcast is using phone, and then in this IDN we use phone for making like an application or running an application or website, and then record for our project like English Dinia or IT too. So we really need an phone in IDN because we use it for our project too.
So we only use phone when we need to like record and like that.
Yes.
Can we put our phone in dormitory, Tio?
No,
Why?
because in dormitory we how to say megang
We hold.
we
We
hold handphone because how to say nantinya
later.
we playing handphone
Will be punished.
Yeah, will be punished.
will be punished and how to say bertele-tele
Bertele-tele in what?
dalam sholat.
Oh, you will,
Don't have responsibility.
you will be like lalai ya in
Lalai
in,
spray to Allah.
praying. Yeah. You can do bad things using phone, right?
Yes.
In dormitory or no, bad things, bro. Okay, the last. I'm just gonna ask a simple question. Do you know AI?
Yeah.
What is AI?
Yeah. AI is like an like a software like for making a search, for making it more fast. Like AI is like chat GPT or like another like that. So
Make image.
yes.
Oh yes, yes. You can generate image. You
Yeah.
can ask question. Do you use AI too for studying?
Yes,
What AI do you use?
chat OpenAI.
Chat OpenAI. Oh
Chat
yeah,
OpenAI.
I know Chat OpenAI. Chat OpenAI is a very very famous AI. Do you think AI is dangerous or not?
Well, in some reason AI is dangerous too, but in some point is AI is really helpful for our life too.
Yeah. What do you think, Tio? Dangerous or not?
50-50
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Why?
because AI can
Support.
support to our life.
Yes. But AI can also make
Di apa? Menyerang. How to say?
Attack.
Attack human.
Oh yeah. It can also replace humans' job, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's dangerous, bro.
Like
So-
in the movie, what movie?
Movie.
About AI that attack human.
Many movies, yeah, many.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So it depends on what we use it, do we use it to study or to attack people, right? AI can be dangerous, but can also be helpful, just like a knife, right? Yeah. Okay, everyone. Okay, today we have talked about 3 topics about technology, which is we talk about laptops, phones, studying in IDN, and we also talk about artificial intelligence. And that is all for today that we are going to talk about the topics that we delivered before, which is about technology. We wish thank you very much for your attention and listening to our podcast. And thank you Rehan and Tio for being available for today's podcast. Hope you have a great day. Thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.